Python is like the superhero of programming languages. It's everywhere and it's only getting more popular. Why is Python so well liked, you ask? That's what we're going to find out. Python is used by many people around the world. Big companies use it. Small companies use it. It's even used by scientists. They use it for all sorts of cool things. So, are you ready to learn more about Python? I sure hope so, because by the end of this essay, you'll see why Python is so awesome. Get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of Python. One of the best things about Python is that it's super easy to learn. Seriously, if you can write a sentence in English, you can pretty much start learning Python. That's because Python's syntax, the way it's written, is very close to how we normally speak. Imagine you want to tell the computer to say hello. In Python, you would simply write print hello. See? Easy peasy. No complicated symbols or confusing jargon. Python is all about keeping things simple and straightforward. This makes it perfect for beginners who are just starting their programming journey. No more freaking out about complicated code. Python is your new programming buddy. It's here to make learning fun and exciting. Python is like a Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's incredibly versatile and can be used for a wide range of tasks. Need to build a website? Python can do it. Want to analyze some data? Python's got your back. How about automating some boring tasks? Python to the rescue. You see, Python has these things called libraries. Think of libraries as giant toolboxes filled with pre-written code. These toolboxes let you do all sorts of amazing things without having to write everything from scratch. This incredible versatility is one of the reasons why Python is so popular. It's a one-stop shop for all your programming needs. Python is like that popular kid in school that everyone knows. It's used everywhere, and I mean everywhere. Let's take a look at some of the coolest places where Python is making a real difference. Web development. Python is a rock star when it comes to building websites and web applications. Companies like Instagram and Spotify rely on Python's power to bring you your daily dose of entertainment. Data science. Data is king these days, and Python is the kingdom's most trusted advisor. From analyzing trends to making predictions, Python helps us unlock the secrets hidden within mountains of data. Automation. Tired of doing the same boring tasks over and over again? Python can automate that for you. Whether it's sending emails, resizing images, or scraping data from websites, Python can free up your time so you can focus on the fun stuff. These are just a few examples of the amazing things Python can do. As technology continues to evolve, one thing is certain: Python will be at the forefront of innovation, shaping the future of how we interact with the world. So what are you waiting for? Jump on the Python train and join the coding revolution.